reviews and tips once again. So today our product for review is hyaluronic acid from Mountainor. Not only that we're going to see a review on this product, we're also going to see everything in detail about hyaluronic acid, how to apply it, the benefits of hyaluronic acid on skin, plus the side effects. So let's go. So what exactly is this hyaluronic acid? Well, hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring molecule in skin which can hold water up to 1,000 times its weight. But as we grow older, our skin loses its ability to hold moisture, which causes it to lose its elasticity, and this results in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And that's when you are in need of a topical application of hyaluronic acid cream or serum. So how does this topical application of hyaluronic acid work? Well, hyaluronic acid cream or serum acts like a sponge that pulls the moisture from the air into your skin and keeps your skin hydrated and plump. The most common ingredient used in hyaluronic acid cream or serum is sodium hyaluronate or sodium acetyl hyaluronate. So if you find any of these ingredients in your cream or serum, then probably there is hyaluronic acid in it. So now let's see how to use hyaluronic acid correctly. The most common mistake people with dry skin make is that they think hyaluronic acid is the only thing they need to keep their skin hydrated. But this is not true. Hyaluronic acid is supposed to be topped by a moisturizer which is specially made for dry skin, which helps in retaining the natural oils of the skin and protects the skin from losing moisture. I'll tell you two ways to apply hyaluronic acid. So first is washing your face, just towel dry it slightly, leave some dampness and then dab on this hyaluronic acid on your face. This is one way of applying. Top it with a moisturizer. Another way of applying is just use a face mist, or you could just spray some water on your face and then apply this hyaluronic acid. But remember, always top it with a moisturizer. So now you must be thinking, what is the use of this moisturizer, right? Well, as I told you, hyaluronic acid has the capacity of pulling all the moisture from the air into your skin. But if you don't apply a moisturizer, it's anyway going to dry out or evaporate. So it is very important to apply a moisturizer on top of the hyaluronic acid. Especially in winter, if you're going to apply hyaluronic acid without a moisturizer on top, it is going to give you a reverse reaction because the climate is already dry and it doesn't have any moisture to pull from outside. So what it starts doing is it starts pulling the moisture from within your skin and releases into the air, which deprives your skin of moisture and makes it very, very dry. So if your question is, can I use it every day? Then the answer is yes, you can use it twice a day, morning and night with a moisturizer. And remember, dampness is very important. So now what are the side effects? Generally, they do not have any side effects according to experts. They are very safe to use on all skin types. But certain products, like certain creams with hyaluronic acid, has very lighter molecules of hyaluronic acid which penetrates very deep into skin and sometimes cause irritation. If you notice any kind of irritation like that on your skin, immediately discontinue use and consult a dermatologist. So overall, hyaluronic acid is beneficial and safe for your skin. It keeps your skin hydrated, moisturized, plump and glowing. So now let's move on to the product. So this is the box of our hyaluronic acid from Mountainor, and it has vitamin C and E also, plus it doesn't have any kind of harmful chemicals, or it doesn't have paraben or sulfates. That's good, right? And it's also 100% organic. That's what they say. So now let's move on to the product. So this is our product, and there's 30 ml of product in this bottle. It came with this dropper actually, but I just replaced it with this pump dispenser for the ease of use, and that the product doesn't get contaminated that way, right? Like taking it out and putting it in the dropper might actually contaminate the bottle. So let me show you the product now. Just a second. So if you can see, this is the product. So you may find it slightly greasy in the beginning, but as you apply it, it just quickly gets absorbed into the skin and you will not feel the greasiness anymore. has this wonderful fragrance. I would tell you, it's really, really nice. I love the fragrance. You just feel like you're in a garden of roses or something like that. And it has a shelf life of about 24 months. That is, it's best before 24 months from the date of manufacture. Apart from that, it's the smell that I really love. I usually don't like strong fragrance, but this one I really love it. So if you like this video and found it helpful, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. See you soon with another useful video like this. Until then, bye.